Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove text before the nth occurrence of a specific character in Microsoft Excel. So here in this dataset, you can see I have used two underscore signs, two separatists of the city and the country names. So now I'm going to show you a formula that you can use to remove all the text before the second appearance of the underscore sign here. But before jumping into the main formula, I'm going to break down my approach towards solving this problem. So at first, I'm going to substitute the second appearance of the underscore sign with a special character. So for this purpose, I'm going to use the substitute function. It requires a text which is cell A2, then all text, it will be the underscore sign that I want to substitute. New text would be a special character. So in this particular case, I'm going to use the hash sign. Then instance number, it will be 2 because I want to substitute the second appearance of the underscore sign here. So now I press enter sign and it has successfully replaced the second appearance of the underscore sign with the hash sign. Our next step to find the location of this hash sign here. So for this purpose, I'm going to use the find function. It requires find text, which is the hash sign that I want to look for. Then within text would be this one because here the hash sign is present. Then start number, I'm going to leave it blank so that the source starts from the beginning. So I press enter and it returns 15. Our next step is to calculate the total number of characters present in the main text in cell A2. So I'm going to use the len function for this purpose. So I need to insert the text inside this function and it will get it done. It returns 17. So our next step is to calculate the total number of characters that are present after the second appearance of this underscore sign here. So I can do that if I simply subtract the position number of the hash sign here from the total number of characters, which is 17. So it would be 17 minus 15 and the result will be 2. So this means there are total 2 characters present after the second appearance of the underscore sign here. So now I'm going to use one last function, which is the write function, and this function will help me to extract a specific number of characters from the right side of this text here. So write function first requires text, which is A2, cell A2 here, then number of characters, it will be 2, and that's it. So it returns UK, which is basically the number of characters that are present after the second appearance of the underscore sign. So this means this approach has completely removed all the text before the second occurrence of the underscore sign here. So I hope you have got the basic about how to actually remove all the text before the second appearance of the underscore sign. Now I'm going to remove all 5 pieces of formula here and I'm going to use this concept to build one master formula. So for this purpose, I'm going to start with the write function, then text would be cell A2, the number of characters. I'll first calculate the total number of characters present in cell A2, then I'm going to subtract the position number of the hash sign. Within text would be the output of the substitute function, where substitute function requires text again. Then all text would be the underscore sign that I want to substitute with. Here the hash sign. Now instance number is 2 for this particular case, and now I need to insert 3 parentheses, and that's it. So this is the final formula that you can use to remove text before the second occurrence of the underscore sign. So this formula, you can actually, all you need to do, just change the instance number here, which is 2. So you can just update this number to remove text before the end occurrence of any specific character. So now I will just press the enter button and I get UK. So now I will just copy down the formula and it will get the job done for me.